06 here. A really beautiful truck for an 06. Been in storage since 19. Gentleman was busy rebuilding it, reconditioning it from head to toe here. Both rear ends. He replaced both rear ends, front and rear end, knee deep in rubber. Brakes are like new. This truck is ready to go. The gentleman, he put all this money in this truck, reconditioning it and whatnot, and now he has health issues and he cannot drive. Got the flex air suspension, really good brakes and drums are like new. He went through this all. I mean, just had a new cam put in it, new front cover. Front cover is resealed, all new air conditioning. The cam rockers, that was all replaced new here. There's 15 miles on that. We got all reconditioned, ready to go trucking down the road. And now they won't, he has health issues and he may not ever get to drive over the road. What a shame. He put his whole life savings in reconditioning this truck, guys. It's a really beautiful truck here. Really feel sorry for the guy that puts all his hard-earned money in it and then has to go and sell it and never got the opportunity to drive it after he did all that work to it. Just knee deep in rubber. This thing is just super nice. Tell you what, if I needed another truck, I'd be the first one buying this truck. New airbags on the cab. I mean, you name it, he did it all. Talk to you. You guys bid with confidence. Come take a look at, test drive it. Drives like a dream down the road. It is very nice. Thank you, guys.